magic art.
Hello friends, welcome to Magic Art. How to draw letter H and cute hen, easy drawing and coloring. How to draw letter H, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Start with two straight lines, strong like a pole. Hold on, the letter H is about to become hero level. Think H is just two lines? Let's make it happy. Add another line next to it. Now they are best friends. Join them in the middle. Boom! It's H. Make it bold because this H has high confidence. Let's add face. Now your H is saying hi. Time to color your edge. Bright colors only. Add some shine. Make it happy and glowing. This H stands for happy and little bit hilarious. How to draw alphabet H for hen, easy drawing and coloring for kids. Wait. This letter H is about to lay an egg. Can an alphabet turn into a cute hen? Let's find out. Now curve one side. Oh, it's becoming a hen body. Draw cute eyes. Make it look curious for food. Add wings, not for flying, just for style. Time to color your hen. white, brown or rainbow hen. Color the beak yellow because hens love to bright style. This hen doesn't say hello, it says hello. Fresh eggs are available, only on paper.
Magic card.